Marvin. 10 to shoot to Jason. To Big Mamas na Boyan. Loose ball. Bola kang team si Bukawan. Donito by the foul. Pass to jersey number 11. Back to Donito. Donito, long pass. Back to Donito sa yapon. Pass to jersey number nakapula. Tumira. Logo, 3-point by Manoy. Manoy, nag-trinali. Back to Jason, pinasa sa kontra. Long pass to Brother Steve. Sinulat ang kontra. Easy 2 points. Limited by jersey number 24. Steve. Remaining time, 1 minute and 19 seconds. El Capitan. So Manoy, Nugot. Darwa mo to. Represent by Soto Steve. Pass to Donito. Jersey number 26, Donito. Oh, intercept by jersey number 08, Marin. Hinaras ni Steve. Marin nakagalaw ng spin. Pinasa naman sa banglet. Lihat lang, ay may baka. Okay, Steve, dribble the ball. Remaining time, 55 seconds. Donito, tumira sa 3. No good, rebound by Jason. Long pass, no. Intercept by jersey number 24, Steve. Steve, umatake yung layup. Isulang rin to. El Capitan, pag-fake. Oops, kagita pa saan? There's the call. Matrep. Pal-pal ko na. Okay, remaining time, 36 seconds for the third quarter. Jason, long pass to Big Mamas. Big Mamas, pass to Manoy, umatake, kapo. Naman sa yapon. Manoy, kagita pa saan? Pinasa kay Jason. Kapos mo sa yapon. Tumira, no good. Rebound by, nakapula. Pass to Steve. Oh! Block by Big Mamas. Remaining time, 16 seconds. Nagbuguan na, hindi ko na ba?